once again for today's video, and in this video I'm going to take you through the various words, commonly used terms in Microsoft Excel, which is going to aid you in making easy calculations as a beginner on Microsoft Excel. And these are the common terms which we find in Microsoft Excel. First of all, we've got what we call the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a single page on a Microsoft Excel that we use to do several calculations. And then we have a workbook. A workbook is a file that contains several worksheets, like as we can see here below this spreadsheet. We have labeled here sheet number 1, sheet 3, sheet 2, sheet 4, sheet 5. So several of these sheets make up what we call a workbook. Then we have what we call a column. And a column, we said, is a vertical set of cells in a spreadsheet. This, as we can see, is this vertical set of cells is what we call a column. It is labeled with the letters A, B, C, D up to Z. So as we go down like this, this is what we call a column. Then a row is a horizontal set of cells, and it is labeled by figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on in a spreadsheet. Then we have what we call a cell, and this cell is an intersection of a row and a column, like this. A line of a row and a column, when they meet together, they form what we call a cell, just like this one here is a cell where we can put a single word or letter or a figure. Then we have what we call a function here, as we can see here. So a function is a predefined calculation which we find in a spreadsheet software. So these functions are predefined. They so as to make calculations in a spreadsheet very easy. Then we get also what we call the formula. A formula is an expression used in Microsoft Excel sheet to perform calculations. Then we have what we call also the formula bar. So this formula bar is a toolbar in a spreadsheet that displays contents of a currently selected cell. For instance, a formula bar is found here. When you want to show whatever is in this cell C1, when you click on this cell C1, it shows you whatever is found in this cell. So this cell, in this case, has the total number of items in cell A1 added to cell B1. and it gives you the answer in cell C1. So when you click on this cell, you get whatever is in here on the formula bar. So those are the commonly used terms in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for listening.